Mm-hmm. Mm-mm.
Yes, people. R.I.P. to SHENSEEA's edges. Girl, what the hell? People, SHENSEEA, a mad girl, you know. I mean, all throughout my years of dating women and seeing them do these type of things is not a good outcome, you know. Some of them try to grow back all them eyelashes because what the SHENSEEA did with her wig, I see a lot of women doing with their eyelashes. They're not taking it off properly, you know. Um, I don't know about the wig thing. I don't know if you need rubbing alcohol or whatever gel to pull it off, but I know that wasn't good, you know. Boy, SHENSEEA. But nevertheless, she's still looking good. You know what I mean? And her stylist is definitely stepping it up. I like the way how they put the Shenyang logo to cover her nipples, her titties. You see me, I say, it's definitely a good look. She was out there representing on phase 2 stage. You see me? But I just wanted to give them that update that SHENSEEA is out here killing her edges. How many of you have messed up your eyelashes and edges due to the same I don't want to say lazy, but you know, but not doing it the proper way of taking it off, you know. Why, some girl out here looking like Terminator with no lashes, you feel me? Why, I mean, I know if SHENSEEA gonna look good edgeless, you know. Yeah, I mean, but nevertheless, let's proceed. Okay, people, just want to give you a quick update on the individual with the monkey business who escaped. His hospital has been captured by the police at his home. You see me, and he's back in isolation. But, man, who knows how many people he encountered during his escape, you know. Boy, as for the taxi man that waited outside for him. Hey, social media is undefeated, you know. Them said the taxi man that took the individual with the monkey business to him yard when he asked for the fare. This is what he got in return. A bump up face. But then again, we don't know if this is just a publicity stunt for bring under some certain lockdown again. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, let's proceed. And now the El Chapo of Jamaica is coming under heavy fire once again. We're not talking about for moving them things, and them things I'm talking about is them white things. You know that cocaine, yes, man. I said that is not why El Chapo called himself 876 good. But nevertheless, he's coming under heavy scrutiny from the dancehall community because of who he has been seen in company of the last few days. And the people them say who he has been hanging out with is the same type of people he disowned a couple weeks ago. If you don't know, POOCAAN disowned his brother. And Jelly Bats for being a suck pussy boy. You know, the video come out. It seems that it might have been him in that thing. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, I don't know if Jelly Bats and POOCAAN reconcile because we see that Jelly Bats posted what he is being tracked for today. As you can see, Jelly Bats posted POOCAAN in his story with Burna Boy and Offset. And we know Offset for sure is licking out batty and sucking pussy. Yeah, I mean, he might whap the hell out her ass like Cardi B situation, you see me awesome. Jaja, you know Cardi B into ANO too. Yeah, I mean, and no. And now he's posting up with Diddy and all of these things. And this is why I say I can't take no dancehall artists seriously because them burn out the shakiness at home, but when them go a foreign, them all loose and all about. You know what I mean? I keep that same energy, but nevertheless, straight up Jelly Bats put this up and that thing, so I can't read it for myself. Unruly Squid responding. Yeah, I can't read that for myself, but I just didn't want to give them update. POOCAAN was seen in the vicinity of some bottom feeders. Boy, you know what? Let's proceed to the next one. Putting out a comment section about the hypocrisy with POOCAAN, is him. Now, it looks like DYEMA is finishing what she started earlier. And if you subscribe to my Boom Bye Bye channel, Boom Bye Bye TV channel, you'll know that DYEMA is dissing the ish out of her boyfriend or ex-boyfriend at this time, right now as I speak. Because him using our old life trying to insinuate that she was dissing him and his mother when she done come out and said she wasn't. You know what I mean? But no, she's back at it again, so let's take a listen and then we'll proceed.
You got talk, but man, see, you can't give me no strength. You cannot give me no strength. Me more figure you strength, or you figure me strength. Monster. You don't give me no strength, brethren. Me always have my name. My name never one thing with me. Me keep my game on top. Me never make my game drop yet. I see me there with the what people class me. Just like how you say me there with you. Just like how you claim say. Since you're there with me, people class you. I say me there with you, people class me too. So it's how we get class back and forth. No, I don't know son or young boy stay. Me always there with young boy. Man say does corruption. I have dirty mind and dirty thinking. I mean not there with no blood clot boy. Where you watch my work and cuff me, I mean I watch your work. And I go on like if me get work and me have nothing, me not blood clot give you. Me stop give me things for your demands, me blood clot things you come on but you not beg me. You me never say you beg me. But me there with you, me see you want something, me go give you. He born me kind to lie. Me doesn't come over here sit down in my face and tell me say a lie, me I tell. Fuck you, you don't have to beg me in a monster. Me there with you, me see you want things, me go make it happen for you. Cause me never there with you, I don't look good and me look good. That don't make no sense. So if me there with you, me see you want something, go give you, don't have to beg me, for me give you. So don't go talk about you not beg me, you're just ungrateful. Every time somebody help you, cost them. And me say you're wicked. And you sit down in my face and I tell lies. Say, me not come up here. I me just wash one blood clot line of white clothes for you. With me hand, and me have machine and me blood clot yard. I don't respect that. Like me careless. Sit down upon the days, they are long time days. And me sit down and wash out the clothes them. I come on me yard, you cost me for nothing a blood clot. Just to me get me bumbo clot work. You gonna cost me, gonna tell me how much. You know, me not look out for you, What you mean by that? If me have money, me not gonna give you. Not do it. Wow. Not do it. Not do it. I must see through the hat pull long. See it there. See through the hat pull long. You know nothing about man side. Just show me now want to go down and something, you know. Because if you screen record something where you tell blood clot me and put them in. Me have all of my receipt them look. You lie bad, you know. You lie bad. Man like you, people have it. Man like you. People have every vice note where you send. Because you say you make people look bad and make people look like them are wicked. That's so you stay. People like one people have every vice note, brother. You grieve me out. Buckler, me know so enough people bad mind. Mom never know say me want a man that bad mind me. You call me tell me something I do nothing for you. I went here, you ask Lottie good closet. Big up Lottie good closet. I went, the day before you say me a man go down a blood clot on a Lottie closet. Lottie give me one tight suit, magla one sneakers, and the monster one shirt. I go say me not give no word. Maybe can go talk fashion sponsor me anything we want, talk fashion give it. I say me not look out for blood clot or you lie. If we are going to chuck right now, me say talk fashion. Me need a suit for me a man so we get it, bam. The day before you say we go down a blood clot, Lottie. Lottie good closet down a town. Lottie give me a tight magla sneakers and you get a shirt. Look on the page, you don't see ads and see for me ads and me do. I say man not do nothing for you. What you mean me not do nothing for you? And me there behind your PP clock, everybody blood clot left your road, who there behind a bill. And me a billion a carry. Much people done with you. And I me there for the bill you. And man so much people for you. Me nobody entertainment run a cuss, you know. Me nobody entertainment run a cuss. I know people not chat to me through you. See what I say? See about you claim some people not chat to you through me, but me no lie you they tell you no. But other people not chat to me through you. Everything he said me not do nothing for him. And every word me get me put him pally. Any clothes or nothing anything I me and him. Me not like ungrateful and liar people. Everything you cost me, I do nothing for you. One night you cost me how much? Me I live have a touch of head. Man say me a vendor. Me sell clothes, me do everything. Me cannot hungry. Man say me never stop fly. And me never stop get bookings. Never. All I just see me be I want to say me a old dancer. Me never stop tour. Me never stop get booking. Man say me no boss, me no show up. A 3 visa in my book. Me have England, me have Canada, me have America. And me no nothing and post no. Me no nothing. Most of the time me try with you. I go like I can't time a monster. And actually because me no really want good on in no argument. Actually me no really want good on in certain things. Remember me tell me that. And me just try style me and me ignore you. Because me I say me no want back and forth on this like me I no pussy, you know. And man say if I read you don't want to draw me out. Me I tell you that. No, what me do for you no good. No at all me do for you no good. Everything is a problem. Can't do nothing more for you than what me can do. Man say me never there with no man in the company on the internet concuss, you know. Because me never there with a dancer for me born to blood clot. I fuck me. Do a dance. I broke my bro. Nobody call me. I know me dey on live. I know no sister me dey on live. You always I do this. You know about that you block me and this. So my friend them call me and say, "DYEMA, what your monster have?" And me play it off nice. I say, "Me a man for no man. Me not pay a man for no mind." You know about that tie you know about that tie you put up in your story. I hear this, so you go on the most way. And my friend them call me much in time. And I have what me have me. I say, "Me a man for no have nothing rare. And me polish you off and me hear that again." You gonna look for me and tell me, say, "Me never." Man, me tell you, man, you're too ungrateful, man. You're too ungrateful. When me I do a man, they cut me for my work and cut me for everything. Everything you cut me for. Let me get one phone call that cost me. Everything. No, for no see me come live attack, you know, I done me, you know. Because me no normally man say this for me hold me one, I will not ask me, you know. Me not pay no good girl shit. After man say I do nothing for me chop on a man's foot. Me never expect this for last blood clot long. You lucky you go 10 months. You go far. You think you ain't gonna drop off a ship long time. Actually, me no want good in some things, you know. Man stand grateful. Me I tell you. And him first, let me tell you something. A man say first go post on the Instagram, you know. And then when me go live attack, man say they go like him the victim, you know. Man say first always a throw shades off of me and me always ignore man style, you know. I mean, don't think me go ignore it today because when you come for this man, your son fuck up and bad mind. Me not have no family for feel, me not have nobody, so me not have nothing. Eh? You should have respect me, monster, because all if hills and valley me walk through for you. Man say you should have respect blood clot me. Yeah, I tell me go, you should have respect me. I walk up valleys and hills me walk through for you, monster. I remember say I 3 hours me take for me if you come up where you live, you know. I remember a bus me sit down and come up there. As a star. For you see me come and man say me tell me never there with no man me back and forth on the internet yet. You know? Never ever. Never. Me never take up no man me back and forth on the internet yet, brother. Enough tired this off of me and shade me. And people call me and ask me. Then I go like say me and say no, nothing like that. True me I ignore it. I'm tired of you, man. What's the like coming up on the live video while you looking at my face and tell me say me never up your yard. I know much people from up where you live on my life, you know. I know a lot of the blood clot take people see me up there, you know. Me and no man never back and forth on no live yet. Never. Me never have no man go like girls or bumbo clot. All of me and the Rasta kicker and Rasta no pay me no mind, brother. Me just start my mind one time and that's it. You back and forth, you throw one like a girl, you put up this, you put up that. And the amount of help when me help you. Don't let me going at it. Every day come. Anybody who ain't done a town all day before yesterday can know say see two away. And then before yesterday, me and the boy go to town. Man, you know, me the live on a car me bum. Me don't like problem, you know. And the day before yesterday, me and you go down a town. See, right now, me have the woman clothes, me have to wear them in. The day before yesterday, see the blood clot clothes, them out of sign of the bag. I have to show them a lie, me the blood clot, tell I swear to God. See the blood clot clothes and shoes, the new brand blood clot suit. See them, yeah. See the, watch ya. Me see them, I'll see them, all of my bag them reach in my house. I'll know my bag them reach in my house. For sure, say the lie, me I tell. I'll know my bag them reach in my house. See the fucking shoes and clothes that the woman give me yesterday, yeah. See them, yeah. And him get a shirt. See it, yeah. I'll know me not reach in my house. He close them. I'll know me take a bag them for me. I come up away. For sure, or in lie. For sure, or in lie to blood clot. For sure, or in lie to blood clot. See the clothes them, yeah. See that the woman just give me the new brand shoes, a Lati closet for Maggle. See it, yeah, Lati good closet. And a Fendi tight suit, yeah. And him get a shirt. Day before, yesterday, see the bag them up there, so me just come up and me tell you, man, Salah, you're wicked, brother. If you're not gonna look over my page right now, you know see send you ads in the store. I wanna look for my page, you know see me do ads in the said store too. I like problem, brother. You mean me so like me I talk to. Me a big woman, me not have to tell lie. Me is a hearing anything when me I do me talk. Plain and straight. See them, me not have to tell no lie. See the woman, I know me just see back them up yesterday. See the woman just give me the shoes them. See shoes them here. And a tight suit of a magger. Lati good closet. Woman just give me them, brother. And the woman give me a shirt of a magger. If you go look for a Monster page right now, you look for my page, you see two women and they said two do ads. Grieve, Monster, grieve me. And man say, I want me good on in my files them and go dig them up and take up my receipt and make them say you're wicked. If you see me get so ignorant, brother, me done with the brother because I come like, me follow you, me pine out. You lie, you always play a victim. When nobody call you and ask you say what happened, you tell lies, say me are the problem. You lie them style, brother. Put me show problem some things you do. Me put me play some vice blood clot note. Since you want me go deep in the things that you corruption like my family them. You corrupt like my family them. You know my same thing. Everyone me go get fight after me one blood clot man me get fight. Me never see nothing so me never see nothing about me so yet. I'm grateful I go kill you. You're not gonna reach nowhere so you stay a monster. As you somebody have nothing you right, me don't know who teach you to read. You go on me don't do nothing for your monster. Monster me for you there with me you look different. You look totally different from when you were a monster before. You go on me go on me don't do nothing for you. Don't make me talk all me do for your monster. Don't make me have to talk. Cause you go on me don't do nothing for you. I me never help you so you make it look. Well, like man never do nothing for your part. Me tired of you. So now I'm going to coach and I just look into things and listen about the vice note them, you know. Oh, you're the disrespect blood clot me, you know. You're ungrateful, you know. Why like say man don't do nothing blood clot for you? Why like people don't do nothing? You're too corruption and wicked. Why fuck me I doing one man if me get one work you cost me if you not get the work you cost me. Where the fuck you cost me for? Me I do two separate work. When you get bookings. I mean you get bookings. I follow back at you and come dance said way. Eh? How much time the people book you alone. I follow come here and come dance. I'm a big dancer. I come here and come work same way. Come here support you. What you mean? I pay a black monster block all I'm blessing them. Remember me telling a monster. Remember me telling a wrong blood clot and this in the bike. You see God no sleep. I mean, don't want nobody come and come tell me about they didn't know where. Because I did been telling a long time, so I just fuck till it end. I'm not lucky you catch 10 months. So I don't want no one to come say nothing to me. Because I been telling a long donkey can hear before this even reach us. So I just fuck I enjoy life till it done. They been telling that long time. I never know such a man's a corruption. Everything you want cost blood clot people. Man, so I not done, you know. Me nah do you love these people and black them you cost everybody. Everybody you cost. Nah give him no blood clot rest. I will tell him to start for me. Eh? When start for me for? I I'm first go on internet go post, you know. I never me first. I'm first go on internet go post. And I'm enough time I want me say, man, sir, don't try go back and forth me on internet. Cause you don't want me start. If I go like say, he film internet bigger and film me. So when he post and film dirty friend them and they chat about Lego girl. And you know when you're hungry, dirty friend them can give a blood clot. And I go suck on no mama. You dirty careless fly batty stinking friend them. Where that even can buy your drinks. Blood clot like I'm grateful. Me say if you look at my Mansa page right now, go look. You know see Mansa do ads on this store, I do ads on the set. So day before yesterday, my Mansa go down. Anywhere I make him put him pan. Any store call me. Me an ambassador for talk fashion. And him no ambassador for talk. I mean alone an ambassador for talk fashion. And when me can't talk fashion, me say talk fashion, me a Mansa they go rare. We want too soon. Any day clothes we in there, anything we take up. We want to take up any Gucci, we want to take up anything close to the day till die kingdom. Come talk fashion and give it. And I mean alone the ambassador is not him. I mean I left him back. Every day I cut me so I don't do nothing for blood clot you. Every day. And enough thing me do for your man so don't make me have to talk. Every minute they on internet. Hey, 100 people on here so can tell me say I walk a time man over there throw shades. You know what the time man throw shades? You know what the time man throw shades and pink one post and up people post it. And people are waiting for me for answer. And me just don't answer it and allow it alone. I ain't reach the way just dead out. Me not gonna take your shades today. About if a man say me attack, me go see a man say me attack. Me I want dirty stinking ear his face the girl. Me not go behind nothing. I mean I know me not gonna if me ever go into some things, man, stop people hate you. If me ever go into some things that show problems, some things or your behavior or your stay and make them listen some voice note what you say. And so how your face and stink like dog. No matter me have to go in at them. For no see me answer, no know say, me fed up at this. For no see me come by here. Enough time answer throw shades and people write up it. They all about and people are at me ignore him. Regular man say block me and find story and post big things in his story and my friend them watch and come and ask me what me and him have. And me ignore and go like me not see it. Man say not draw me out. I go like how you bring me. Man say you not bring me. You don't blood clot. First of all, man, our relationship boss you. You feel like I bird our relationship. Can every interview with blood clot get about relationship? You're just too ungrateful enough. But me say, see you wicked little boy. Me never do nothing for your amount of things that me do for your man, so that even want to talk. For me look like me a pussy. Remember me tell you. Me don't say you draw me out from me go down in some details and show the people them how you stay. I don't with him, me not give a fuck. For you see me get mad so. Me just say you throw one more shades for me and go back one more life for me. But me just go down in every nitty-gritty. And show the people them how your blood clot wicked. Eh? You can't want a woman like a me stand beside her like a blood clot soldier. Look here how the Gideon. Look here the Gideon army stand up behind her like a blood clot soldier. And you come and trace me. Me I sit down and wash your clothes in a blood clot pan and them the days they done to me machine in my blood clot house here. And me left all the way up come a blood clot town and sit down and wash your clothes in a pan and me and a mascot. And machine in my blood clot house. I don't appreciate and nothing, you're just ungrateful. And I don't want to go in some other detail. I me head down my head at blood clot because I'm done with you. You're too blood clot ungrateful. Anybody want you to take your gallon with you? Big old evil. Me not care. Anybody want knapsack up right now, then knapsack up and throw up on them back and gallon with you run fast. Come here, take me save like a Usain Bolt. You say DYEMA look like me love the boy. How you mean me did rate the boy? I don't know me enough care. How you mean? That if me could have love somebody and take up myself, go and wear 3 blood clot mile, go wash in a blood clot pan, and they take this and take that and take all these disrespect if me didn't like him. How you mean if me didn't love him? How you mean me love the boy of course? And that's why me take some blood clot disrespect. What you mean by that? You not go let me hide feelings. Eh? No boy can't this, but a boy talk me cut. Man say the only boy me walk back at so much time. And rock dead na me pussy. Oh. What you mean? I like talk to me say, you know think, then when me come I talk all these things. But this look like a prank or joke thing. Man say too blood clot ungrateful man. Man say too ungrateful. Not like ungrateful people. Man say too blood clot ungrateful man. Actually me no want go in everything, you know. You see amount of things that me blood clot do for this boy and this boy say me never do nothing for him. I'm stand up behind this boy like a soldier, more than even my own family them to blood clot. I mean this boy they disrespect me. You know amount of selector the dancer that like you. I choose to select every restaurant. Me make them deal with you. And that me I tell you. You know amount of selector that like you. You know amount of people can't bother with you. You know what with your monster? Your face you reach already. I that with you. Your face you reach already. You start turn back and you reach far. You all killer the face you reach monster. Monster 25 years me in this year. I'm still not even get the highlight when I forget. I'm cool. When I too hype and I'm gonna reach far, brother. Killer dead feel like see you reach, you know reach it, brother. At 25 years me in it, I'm still not get no highlight when I'm supposed to forget. Me still not get me shine. Me still back at time same way. I'm a wall me one, brother. You just feel like you reach monster. Remember monster now where your page all gone now. And me sit down and build like your page, you know. Billy carry back right back in the pussy hole. We are say monster. You can't build me, me never flap it, you know. Ask anybody for this alive, yeah. You know much new dancer come after me, I never take me strive. I mean not even can dance. I just me image. I'm a realist about me make me strive. Any amount of people this me not that. Look what Mataran. You know how long Mataran go around me, I never try for this Mataran yet. And since me there, me fucking answer Mataran. And a long time Mataran go around me, I never try this him. Me want and take it cool and keep it. Amount of people, see a lot of there, that I know you deal me like a pussy. And me want if you see me I come like I know say, you know good. See a lot of there, so can't prove it for me said way. Enough time you not gonna go to your pussy up me thing. And little girl on me thing and tell me for idiot. So me don't know why you say monster. You ever they try shade me, ever they go like you are the victim and you're wicked. I told me no one going to something monster. Let you go, brother. Come here only if me follow you monster me flat like dog, brother. When me go down, somebody even all they want talk to me, brethren. I mean, even want go down in some things, brethren. Because if you really go down in some blood clot things, brethren, now go nice for your side, brethren. You ever try go all the while I do it, now Mr. Monster stop from post with relationship per internet because I now follow you up. You always do it, I don't should be enough time, I don't follow you up, it just dead out. You come back with this today, I want to your monster. I don't lie, me never have no, me have bag and me blood clot, like I'm out of time fissing me in a blood clot it. You don't know me a drunk and don't give a fuck and a response already, you know. You right, if you have bag, you must have bag for blood clot, true. And me follow you, me really look like me age. And me follow up man, so me look like me age. Let me say this man ever they portray things like say me I tell lie and do some shit and talk some something. Every time this man I go they have things by internet and me I avoid him. Let me you know you yourself know because me and him power and you know much things. And to me don't want go in it. And grateful. Then I see later what the Red Bull come on your place? What the Red Bull come on your place? Who my Red Bull come on? There's me later the call. Me later the call and say, DYEMA, you think say, me can't make Red Bull run a man, so me say, yeah man. Anyone say man, anyone say later no, later they ain't gonna make Red Bull come round there. Everything I me most I think them come true, so what you say? And me most I think them come true. I try disrespect people. Right now, me keep up here, you know. Right now, me keep up here. Because when you're lolly kicker, nobody never look upon you. Nobody never look upon you. And you're going to cut me all my hole. Oh, me go each pie and don't talk about oh. If me go in a dance till me a 50, you never know say me only come when I fly in my DM. If me go see a dance till me how much in ear hole. You don't worry about that, worry about you, you're young, and you're in a dance hall, and you don't worry about you big peer problem you don't reach nowhere yet. That's if you worry about. Me tired of you, man, bumbo clock, man. Anybody want a crocus bag, they can take it, because that not nothing to do with me. Gotta go run in the pound back. Because you don't know who that. Monster cuss all in granny to blood clot. Monster cuss me and in granny in a yard attack. Monster start cuss me. I say me and in granny a chat him when me know in granny from. If me follow monster, me not chat to nobody at all. That me I tell you no. He own a blood clot granny. He cuss me and the man a chat, he cuss me, the man don't want to talk to me. Because woman can't bother the problem. Everybody in cuss. Everything in right, like him right one and nobody else. Everything in right. You need to think you're going right. I'm more better some man right, this not right, and you're still a righty. Most of the time you're right, I mean the people and beat, and I say I'm in your head. That time people don't know, say me no business, me can't even go in your head, I just saw you corrupt and love right, and I just saw you stay. Most time when I right, I mean the people and cuss me like, dog, I say I'm in your head. Poor me. More better man say, love is something them that you cuss me. I'm a Instagram or a few. No time off you do, come can't tell what you do. Me love you. Me love you. You can't go like, I mean, make enough people know you. That me I tell you, I will build 100 dance. That me I tell you. You go like I say you build me. And you will get me for one bank side. You know the amount of time people cause me for you. I'm more while you right for the people and me as a man that just loud that I make with us. Ignore them. Just play a mind game for mind game. You cost me like that. No, me.
Oh boy, it look like said these boys want to kill off the big woman. And people don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest and dancehall news, music, reviews, and gossips. Bless.